Hey guys, in today's video, I will reviewing the top 8 best digital cameras. I made this list based on my personal experience, and I tried a random base on my quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description link below. Number 8 in my list is Sony A6700 digital camera. The Sony A6700 is a seriously impressive mid-range camera and a long-awaited update to Sony's APS-C lineup, with advanced video specs that bring it up to the standards of today's market, including 4K 120-pixel capture, internal 10-bit 4:2:2 recording, and in-body image stabilization. It's a great choice for hybrid shooters. It's no slouch for photography either, with a 26MP backside illuminated crop sensor that captures stunning images with plenty of detail, dynamic range, and best-in-class autofocus. That said, it does have some limitations. If, for example, you need raw video output, the Fujifilm X-S20 has you covered and also supports 6.2K open gate recording. However, 4K is capped at 60 FPS on this camera, and it has a less reliable autofocus system. Sports and wildlife shooters may also prefer the slightly pricier Canon EOS R7, which has better ergonomics and faster burst shooting, but fewer native lens options. Number 7 in my list is Nikon Z6 digital camera. If cameras like the Sony A7 are out of your price range, the Nikon Z6 Dia is a fantastic upper mid-range choice. Its video specs aren't as impressive as the cameras above since it's limited to 8-bit internal recording, which doesn't give you as much leeway when processing your footage. However, it's right up there for photography with a fantastic full-frame sensor that captures a wide dynamic range and performs well in low light. It's also well-built with a weather-sealed body to give you peace of mind when shooting in adverse weather conditions. While the Z6 is versatile enough for all kinds of photography, it's especially well-suited to capture sports and wildlife, thanks to a quick 14 FPS burst rate and an excellent autofocus system. It isn't as seamless and reliable as the AF on the Sony above, but it's more than capable of getting the job done. Lens options are still somewhat limited for the Z mount, but if you're looking for a well-rounded full-frame camera in this price range, you won't be disappointed with the Z6. Number 6 in my list is Canon EOS R10 digital camera. The EOS R10 is the most affordable entry point to the EOS R system, but it offers much better than basic performance. We love its versatility as an easy-to-use automatic camera for beginners and a fully manual one for long-time enthusiasts. Creators of all skill levels can benefit from autofocus that can identify and track people, pets, birds, and wildlife, and motorsports vehicles at a 15 FPS pace. If you're stepping up from a Canon Rebel Cell R, you can use the EOS R adapter to bring your current lenses along for the ride. Creators looking to jump into the EOS R system who put more preference on fast focus over the slower but full-frame EOS RP can look to the R10 as an affordable entry point. It's the mirrorless body that makes the most sense for EOS Rebel owners mulling an upgrade. We also prefer its autofocus to the X-T32, so you should opt for the R10 if you're into wildlife or sports photography. Number 5 in my list is DJI Osmo Pocket 3 digital camera. The compact, vlog-friendly DJI Osmo Pocket 3 puts a wide-angle 20mm lens and a 4K video camera on a 3-axis gimbal that enables rock-steady handheld footage. It also supports 4K 60 recording with sound and 120 FPS slow motion in widescreen mode, as well as manages a quality 3K picture in a vertical aspect ratio. The Pocket's Type 1 sensor works well in dim light and supports 2x lossless digital zoom for scenes in which the prime lens is a little too wide. The Osmo Pocket 3 is first and foremost a video camera. It snaps stills, sure, but its gimbal-stabilized video is the main appeal. You should get it for self-recorded videos, travel logs, and documentary-style footage. We recommend spending more on the Creator Combo, $669. If you're after a turnkey vlogging solution as it adds an extended life battery and a wireless lapel mic for longer shoots with crystal clear sound. Just remember that the Pocket is not rugged or waterproof, so it won't replace your action cam. Number 4 in my list is Sony A7 digital camera. The Sony A7 IV is a real do-it-all mirrorless camera. It sports a 33-megapixel full-frame sensor, a plus for wildlife photogs who want to crop but don't want to spend big on a 7R IV model. Superb tracking autofocus with 10x and stabilized 10-bit 4K 60 video for vloggers. There are loads of lenses available too, with plenty of both affordable and high-end options. Third-party lens makers, including Sigma and Tamron, bolster Sony's Fei lens line. Creators shopping for a full-frame camera that can handle nearly any task should take a close look at the A7. That SLR-style body pairs well with lenses big and small, while a front-facing LCD is an option for present-to-camera video. It's an easy pick as an upgrade for creators coming from a Sony A6000 series mirrorless or older A7. If you have Canon lenses or accessories, the EOS R6 Mark II is likely a better fit, as is the Z6 if you're on the Nikon ship. But for photogs without system baggage, the A7 IV is a great starter camera, especially for folks who want to try different lenses. Number 3 in my list is GoPro Hero 12 digital camera. The GoPro Hero 12 Black is the camera to beat for video-first creators who want to document outdoor adventures, dives, and extreme sports, as well as just make vlogs. It supports 5.3K 60 and 4K 120 capture, records incredibly stable footage without the need for a gimbal, and is small enough to mount pretty much anywhere. The 8:7 format sensor offers flexibility to pull out 16:9 and 9:16 video from the same clip. Optional accessories like the media mod cage and microphone, as well as the ultra-wide max lens 2.0 mod, make it a bit more versatile than budget action cams. We also like that it's waterproof to 33 feet. GoPro started as a brand for surfers, so if Point Break is your favorite movie, consider yourself in the target market. Video-first adventure seekers should find the Hero 12 ideal for slow-motion action shots, while vloggers should appreciate the front-facing color monitor and moving time-lapse mode. Number 2 in my list is Canon EOS R7 digital camera. The Canon EOS R7 is a mirrorless camera tailor-made for photographers who want to capture sports, wildlife, and other subjects that call for fast, accurate autofocus. And the R7 excels at identifying people, pets, wildlife, and race cars. The 32.5-megapixel APS-C format image sensor matches well with telephoto lenses, offers plenty of resolution for crops, and supports 4K 60 video for cinema and vlogs. Weather-protected, magnesium construction makes the R7 a camera you can take out into the world. The R7 is a good fit for photo enthusiasts and pros alike, especially those with an eye for action photography and a need for 15 FPS subject tracking. As a main camera, the R7 is versatile enough for landscape and studio work. 2. While video is an option for cinema projects. Family photographers may miss a built-in flash, however, and should look at the EOS R10 or Fujifilm X-T32 instead. We also see the EOS R7 as a good backup camera for pros with an EOS R5 or R3, as well as CellR holdouts looking to upgrade from an EOS 7D or 90D series body. Number 1 in my list is Canon EOS R6 Mark II digital camera. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II is our favorite full-frame camera for most people. It snaps attractive 24-megapixel photos and has a class-leading autofocus system that smartly recognizes people, animals, and vehicles. With 12 FPS mechanical and 40 FPS electronic shutter bursts available, it's especially suitable for action shots, while stabilized 4K 60 video should please filmmakers and vloggers. If you want a full-frame camera, the R6 Mark II should be near the top of your list. The big sensor means you can get soft, defocused backgrounds, while the best-in-class autofocus system ensures wildlife and sports specialists won't miss their shots. It's also an easy sell if you already own Canon SLR or RF lenses. Creators with Sony Glass can look to the A7 IV as an alternative because it offers competitive performance for the same price. Alright guys, this were today's videos. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for amazing and coming video. Be sure to check out the link in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.